Higgsfield Supercomputer just helped me create an entire UGC campaign in the space of 30 minutes for under $30, producing images and videos like this.
This is literally my secret to surviving long study sessions and getting absolute focus. Escapism SURGE is the ultimate nootropic cheat code. Let's conquer the day. Whenever my brain has 50 tabs open and I need to lock in, this is the cheat code. Escapism SURGE wakes up my brain instantly. Time to get to work. Late night work sessions are no joke, but when I need to lock in and actually get things done, this is my go-to. Escapism SURGE gives me raw focus and mental energy, no crash, just solid daily grind.
Welcome to Escapism. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be exploring Higgsfield Supercomputer, which is an AI creative agent that takes us beyond simple prompting and very much manual prompting to building out an entire campaign or creative set from scratch using one simple prompt. Supercomputer is capable of building a multitude of creative outputs, but today I wanted to test it to see if it could produce a UGC campaign using a product I created. So the product in question was a fake energy drink called Escapism SURGE, and all I did was upload one simple image of the product itself, and I started with a simple prompt, which was create a UGC campaign for the energy drink brand Escapism SURGE, create UGC style and lifestyle shots, as well as UGC videos. A very simple and somewhat vague prompt, but basically what Supercomputer does is it takes that one prompt and starts building out the entire campaign from scratch. So a few things to know about Supercomputer is that you can connect things called skills. So depending on what you're building, whether it's UGC campaigns, stories, websites, you can basically bring in specific skills from Supercomputer to help you along this process and get very specific and detailed about what you're building. So another thing to note is something called connectors. So anytime you want to connect a different service or a database, there's a multitude of services which you can connect to this, different models, databases, and platforms. You can reference certain files, and you also have access to memory. So it remembers the different projects that you've built and various elements within that. There's also something called elements, where if you have a specific product, character, or environment, you can reference that as you build with Supercomputer. So what is it about Supercomputer that's different to what you might be used to with the likes of Higgsfield? So previously, where we had to prompt individual images and videos, and it was kind of a stop-start process, you can literally run this one prompt and then go through the process of approving specific prompts and actions that then Supercomputer takes and executes. So this is the process that I followed. I just dropped in this one simple prompt. And one thing to note is you have the option of auto running without asking, meaning it would just go out and build the entire campaign itself, or confirm before running. I selected confirm before running. I wanted to make sure that the prompts aligned with what I had in mind, and any actions that it takes, I approved it before generating. I'd recommend going this route just so that you don't waste credits and you can see what's being built, as well as still maintaining some level of creative control over what it is that you're building. So if we go through the process, it started out building these images, and it literally just took that one product image and then dropped it into this UGC campaign, firstly building out the still images and then animating them with the specific character. I was really impressed with the different scenes and how it all panned out. There were a couple of little issues, like the size of the can in certain frames. Also, the pronunciation of the product itself wasn't always correct, but that's something you can improve and edit as you go along. And from there, I decided to build out various different lifestyle images of this energy drink in different scenes. And then I animated them. And this whole process, I think there was a sum total of about 5 different prompts that I used, where it would build out the images or the videos that I requested. And then I would either request more or I would request edits to the specific images or videos. It did an amazing job of maintaining the product in spite of the fact I only gave it one image to work with. And it really goes much deeper than just simply prompting for a result. It's able to, through a combination of the skills and supercomputer itself, being able to take the instructions that you've given it and build something that makes sense. So this took a sum total of 30 minutes, and it was really just me directing what it was doing, approving the prompts that it suggested. And there were a couple of little issues where it produced something that was not safe for work. So then I just re-prompted it to take a slightly different direction. But you can see here, once it's built everything out, it basically explains the process. It tells you the layout of the storyboard, the final rendered video, the script, and it produced this entire campaign with me simply just overseeing what it was building and approving the different steps. This is a real game changer for anyone who wants to build UGC campaigns from scratch very quickly. And the level of quality that it achieved was right up there with just about any other AI tool that I've used up until now. So Supercomputer is really the next step where we move from one-off prompting, whether it's images or videos, to a system that can take one simple prompt and build out an entire campaign. I'm going to be testing Supercomputer in various different applications, creative applications, filmmaking, website building, and just put it to the test to see just how much I can build with this. Like I mentioned, I used a maximum of about $30 worth of credits. It can be expensive, especially if you're building out a ton of different outputs. But compared to traditional production especially, but even AI production just a couple of months ago, it may be more expensive, but the time it saved me, if I was to previously build this out using AI tools, even Higgsfield before Supercomputer came out, it would take me at least a few hours designing the prompts, figuring out how I pull everything together, then animating each image. So really the price for me is just a non-conversation in terms of the value and time that it provides compared to what we are used to with these tools. I hope this gives you a good idea, at least a teaser to what Supercomputer is capable of, particularly when it comes to UGC. If there's anything else you want me to explore with Supercomputer or anything particular you want me to know, drop it in the comments below. And if you would like to learn how to build your own one-person AI native studio, head to escapism.ai. And if you'd like to try Higgsfield for yourself, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching.